The new RapidRH Total Reader combines the best elements of the popular Easy Reader and Bluetooth Smart Reader into an easy-to-use device for data display, wireless data transfer, and ambient temperature and RH monitoring. The Total Reader works with RapidRH L6 smart sensors to read relative humidity and temperature from the concrete, while its built-in sensor reads ambient conditions at the same time. Concrete and ambient readings are automatically sent via Bluetooth to the free DataMaster L6 app on your mobile device. When transferring sensor data to the DataMaster L6 app, the number of readings that can be stored is only limited by the storage capacity of your smart device. This new RapidRH L6 integrated data storage capability makes it even easier to prove the validity of your readings at any time in the future. The DataMaster L6 app generates PDF reports that can be sent to the client directly from your mobile device. This combination of the Total Reader and DataMaster L6 app is a complete data reading, storage, and recording system that provides comprehensive data integrity.